Tropical storm Sally making some trouble in southwest Florida, drenching the place with heavy rain. You can see some wind and rain whipping Sanibel Island. Plus, there are large waves and powerful rip currents. So we are keeping tabs on Sally and when it could affect our area. Meteorologist Tammie Souza back tonight in for meteorologist Lauren Casey with all of those details. Tammie, good to see you.
Oh, it is good to see you too. Today, not a half bad day. We made it all the way up to 80 degrees here in Center City. We did have those clouds for much of the day, but now we're going to start to see some changes on the way. Some good ones, some not so good ones. Across Center City, we still do have that cloud cover in place, and we are going to continue to see the clouds overnight tonight. Currently, it is 74 degrees, so we're still very mild out there, and we do have winds out of the south and southwest to about 3 miles an hour. Now we're going to see those winds swing around to the north tomorrow. It's going to scour out all the cloud cover. We have the front that moved through today. We're going to see the clouds dissipate. We'll get sunshine back for tomorrow and Tuesday and Wednesday. It's even going to feel very fall-like on Tuesday in the low 70s. And then we focus on the end of the week. Will we get that rain from Sally here? Right now, we're not talking any rain. We actually have right down here the clear air mode. This is the radar that is down in Delaware, but you can see just a few spotty sprinkles making their way through the area. That's the remnants of that cold front that pushed through. We told you yesterday it was going to fall apart, and it certainly did. We have a little bit of cloud cover in the central part of the state, but that's about it. So your future weather overnight tonight, we could be looking at just a few isolated sprinkles. This is 2:30 in the morning. They're gone by then. Then things start to clear out. Here you are at 8:45 tomorrow morning. It looks pretty good. We are going to be looking at conditions that are pretty nice as we head through tomorrow evening. The winds have turned to the north, and this continues right on into your Tuesday. So we're in for a very pleasant stretch of weather. Now let's look at the big picture. What's going on? Okay, the front is gone. High pressure builds back in. That's your Monday, Tuesday, and your Wednesday. Let's go south. Down here on the Gulf Coast, this is Sally. It is expected to make landfall as a hurricane, but by the time we get into Wednesday, it is now downgraded to a tropical storm after landfall. The remnant moisture is making its way off to the north and the east. This is the tropical low, so now it's not even a tropical storm anymore. And here comes a cold front in our direction. They come together right across our area, and we're on the northern end of who could get some of that moisture. So we'll have to watch very closely for Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and Friday. Speaking of Sally, right now, making its way across the Gulf, you can see a very well-defined swirl here. This is still a tropical storm, about 60-mile-an-hour winds. It is moving off to the north and the west. Now, it's expected to become a hurricane by the time we get into tomorrow, a Category 1 hurricane. It could make landfall as a Category 1 or 2. We are going to be watching that sometime on Tuesday, and then it just sort of parks here across the Gulf Coast, and it does not move out of there until Wednesday. That means heavy rain and possible flooding for them, along with big storm surge and dealing with the hurricane. 80 here tomorrow, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. We are going to be looking at a beautiful start to the week, even some chilly mornings. Look at that 54 on Tuesday morning. That says wear a jacket. And then look at this. We move into the rain at the end of the week, and then a chilly but sunny weekend next week. Stay close. Come back right after the break. Don Bella's back with more sports.